Exercise 3.3 question number 1. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So first we have to decide for each of these points they lie in which quadrant or on which axis. So my first point is -2, 4. This point, first x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So this point -2, 4 lies in second quadrant, because in second quadrant x coordinates of the points are negative and y coordinates of the points are positive. So this point -2, 4 lies in second quadrant. Next point is 3, -1. This point lies in which quadrant? X is positive, y negative. So this point lies in fourth quadrant. Next point -1, 0. -1, 0. Y coordinate of this point is 0, so this point lies on x-axis. X coordinate is negative, so this point lies on negative side, negative part of x-axis. So you can write this point lies on x-axis. Next point 1, 2. 1, 2. X and y both the coordinates are positive, so this point lies in first quadrant. Next point -3, -5. Both the coordinates are negative, so this point lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant. So this way, for all these given points we have decided they lie in which quadrant or on which axis. Cartesian plane, x dash x axis, y dash y axis, first, second, third and fourth quadrants with their sign convention: plus in first quadrant, minus in second quadrant, minus in third quadrant and plus in fourth quadrant. Now let's plot these points one by one on this Cartesian plane. So -2, 4 is the first point. So x equal to -2, y equal to 4. So this point with coordinates -2, 4. So this is the point which lies in the second quadrant, and we have also written second quadrant. Now second point 3, -1. X equal to 3, y equal to -1. So this point 3, -1 is this point, and this point lies in the fourth quadrant, and we have also written 3, -1 lies in the fourth quadrant. Third point -1, 0. X equal to -1, y equal to 0, so it will be this point -1, 0, and it lies on x-axis. or at the most you can say it lies on negative part of x-axis. So here you can also write negative part of x-axis. Next point is 1, 2. X equal to 1, y equal to 2. So it will be this point 1, 2, and this point lies in the first quadrant. We have also written this point lies in first quadrant. Next point -3, -5. X equal to -3, y equal to -5. So this point -3, -5. This point lies in third quadrant. We have also written this point -3, -5 lies in third quadrant. So this way, these points we decided which quadrant or on which axis they actually lie, and then we have verified by plotting them on this Cartesian plane.